Hello there and welcome back to the Dayfair YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect to the internet on TV. So when you have the interface loaded and set up, what you need to do is to head over to this button right here, quick settings. Now, beside quick settings, you find Wi-Fi. Click on it to get in and you find you could toggle on and off the Wi-Fi connections. So to connect to the internet, toggle it on and search for the Wi-Fi connection of choice. In my case, I want to connect to Day5G. All I need to do is hit the connect button. If you have not had the password already, you prompt to put in the password. And when you put in the password to be connected, and right there you can see my password is already in automatically. The network is safe, so you can see connected right on the screen. And now my own TV is connected to the internet. But here I can use any internet capability of the on box or on TV. Right here, immediately it's connected to the internet. So if you find that interesting, hit the like button, subscribe